The first three terms of a geometric sequence are the integers. So the key point is here integers A720B, okay, and what is the sum of the digits of the least possible value. So let's mark this least possible value of B, okay. And what is given, the given that 1A 720B are in geometric sequence, so it is very obvious that we can write second term over first term will be equal to a third term over second term. So the common ratio would be the same, so it becomes 7. So we can write the product of A multiply B, the product of A and B would become 720 square. So the very easy thing, no? Now you have to find the least possible value of B. So there is nothing more is given, so no more clue, so you cannot make any other equation. So what you have to do here, how you can think? So what you can do here, you can make a trials, है ना? So by making trials you can find, or you can split this number 720. So how you can split this number 720? That's become very easy. You can write 72 multiplied 10, no? So 72 multiplied 10 will है ना? Then what you can do, you can write it 8 multiply 9. So 8 multiply 9 and 10 you can write 5 multiply 2, okay. So now you have to make so square of that also, okay. So now you have to make a number which is like which is very closer, है ना, which is very closer to 720. So you have to select A and B in such a way that it is near to 720. So if you like multiply it, it become 8 multiply 2 16 multiply 9 multiply 5. So square of that, so it will become what, 256 multiply 9 square 81 and 5 square 25. So what you can do, so you can what you can do, you can make trials here, okay. So if you take 1 3 from 81 and give to 256, so it becomes 256 multiply 3, that will become 768, okay. 768. So the remaining thing would become what we did, we split it 81 as a 3 multiply 9, so it becomes 768. And so 3 multiply 27 here, no, 27 multiply 25. So 27 multiply 25 will become 7 675 675. So we are getting two product 768 and 675. So that is very close to 720. So that can be, so A is like a smaller number, so A could be 675 and B could be 768. So it can be a solution if it become a geometric progression, that we have to check. Obviously it will become a geometric progression because the square of this, so obviously if we split any two number, so because of this relation it will become a geometric progression. So that, so what we have to do, we have to find the least possible value. Now we can make another trials. So for like making another trials, we have to find a number such uh, 768 can be minimized. That means 675 will become a bigger number. So if you make another trial, what you can do, if you will multiply 81 and 81 with like powers of 2. So if you multiply 81, 4 is a very small number, 81 multiply 8, you can do an 80, it will become what, 648. So 648 is a smaller number, smaller than 675, so the number will definitely bigger than 768, so it will not work, no. Then after that you can take 81 multiply 16, so that will be a very big number, so all that will not work, and if you multiply something with 25, so 25, what you can multiply, 24, 24 you can take 24 here, 8 multiply 3, so 24. So 25 multiply 4 will become 100, so it becomes 600. 600 is small number, so after then what we can have bigger than 27 we can have, so 25 is 27 is 71, that is our answer. So if you can understand clearly, so I think this is the possible solution only, this is the possible solution. It is very easy, you can clearly visualize by the performing very few trials, very few trials, performing very few trials, you can understand that the number would become 768 and 675. Okay, so there could be other solution. What you can do, you can take a as a AR and these as a, like, no, if you can take a as a first number and r as a common ratio, so it would ar and ar square. So the ratio of the b over a should become r square. So it should be like, it should be a square of a and b should be a square of integer like that, and it should minimize, I mean, if r is minimum, but r should be greater than 1 also, then only it become an increasing geometric sequence. So like that you can make some trials to get r also. So that could be another solution. Okay, thank you.